15 to 20 alkalinity.
I think. Maybe I'm wrong. תקן אותי אם אני טועה, גדי.
Will it be 15 to 20 alkalinity? pH?
לא יודע מה זה הוא מתכוון.
Maximum it can be 14, you know?
No, it's about 6,
7,
yeah,
6, 7, 8.
6, 7, 8.
If we would like to have the root system in around 5, pH 5, 6.
I know, that's more acidic you want.
But we want more acidic, but we don't have it. So we used to in the past we used to add acid to the water, but we don't do it anymore because of safety.
זה EC, אתה יודע.
זה תלוי רק במים בדשן, אבל בעיקר במים בקור המים שאתה מסתכל. יש מלוח.
אחד מלוח? טוב, בסדר. אתה בא, שמע, אתה בא מטוב, אני יודע מאיפה אתה בא.
இது போகுது ஒரு கிலோமீட்டர் நீளத்துக்கு போகுதான் இந்த ஒரு ரோ. எவ்வளோ ரோ வச்சுருக்காங்க, என்ன மேங்கோ பண்ணுறாங்கங்கிறது பாருங்கள். எவ்வளோ காய் உட்காந்துருக்கு பாருங்க. Good. Can you tell me something about banana? No. I want to have only one question in banana.
Maybe I know, but I'm not the grower.
I understand.
I don't have any problem to answer, but I'm not a professional in banana.
What deep you put the suckers to plant it? Because in our side we put soil around the tree to not to fall, because the trees are tall.
Oh, if you can stop by the banana field, you will see the cable system to make
tie
sure to tie all the trees are tied to the cable system, and very shallow.
Very shallow.
And we clean the houses around, and we irrigate. But if we irrigate here around 1,000 cubic meter per dunam, it will be twice more in the bananas, about 2,000.
2,000 cubic meter per dunam. Here in mango, 1,000 cubic meter per dunam per year. Good. I think we have achieved whatever we have, whatever we have come here.
אני צריך ללכת לפגישה, אבל אתם יכולים לעצור שם בשלי 04 בבניין עם הציור היפה הזה, עם הציור הכתום על ההתחלה של האספלט, ולראות שם, זה מטע צפוף במיוחד, זה 1.5 מטר ועם חוצצים.
אתה מדבר על הבננה או על...
לא, על המנגו, לא רציתי...
בסדר.
אל תדאג, אתה דואג כאילו שהם יכולים להעתיק מה שהם, לא בסדר כלום, תאמין לי, כלום. שום אי אפשר להעביר, טכנולוגיות כאלה להעביר זה שנים.
What does he say?
זה שנים.
He say to do it, what you see here, to do it, you need people
to get trained.
Yeah, to train you. It's not.
No.
It's
See,
impossible
my thing is to. I have already grown the trees 15 by 15. I don't want to do anything other than bringing out certain things are beyond the climate and water irrigation and all. We can maintain.
No, of course you can do this feed canals, which this what give you the opportunity to jump by the yield, to control the.
What is the fertilizer they give? Could you ask them?
It's not a thing you can teach you on one leg, because they changed it during the season. It's mostly iron, but also there's NPK. They change it during the season.
Is there any organic material they use
מצטער.
In between,
יאללה, תודה, ביי.
on the pit? Is there any organic matter you put?
No. The only organic matter is we make sure we don't, after pruning, we chop all the
leaves,
branches and the leaf
the
here in the field, and it stays here. We don't add any organic matter at all.
No, you don't have any sheep manure and cow manure and things like that. Nothing is there. And it is only NPK that goes through the line.
Again?
NPK
NPK here in the water.
in the water.
NPK in the water.
NPK in the water that you give, and iron you give separately because of it is alkaline.
Yes.
And NPK, is there any from fruiting before flowering you give any other NPK? Any?
Before flowering, usually it's the cold, the winter here, the cold season, and the temperature is low, so the tree is almost asleep. Not like in India, it really stops grow. There's no need to do any fertilization in the winter. So only when it wakes up now, it starts to get warm again, we start to deliver the nutrition back to the tree.
You have any fixed manure, fixed?
More or less, we can buy any combination that we want from the company that provide the fertilizer. Any
they're
combination.
changing the percentage during the
Every
season.
year we check in the same tree. We have every spot. We have 20 maybe places we check. Every year we take from the same tree under the tree. We take sample of the soil to see how much nitrogen, how much phosphate in it, and we compare every year. And if there's less, next year we add more. If there's more, next year we give less. We use that system to check the soil and not to check the leaf.
Not the flower, not the leaf.
Not the leaf, the soil.
You
Leaf
check
is very
this.
difficult to take the same leaf. Every leaf is
So
different.
you test only the soil content of
We check only the soil, yes.
and is there any more like micronutrients like?
Only iron.
Only iron is the micronutrient. You don't give zinc,
No.
anything else.
No, not
Why you give only micronutrient, only iron?
enough.
No, it depends your soil. If
My soil also contains iron. That's why I'm asking you. Mine is a lateritic black spots you will have in the soil itself.
no, but
Could be. Not every soil you need to. We here might get up to 10 kilogram of sequestrin per year per dunam.
the question is
A
if
lot.
your iron it's available to the plants, or it must be available iron to the plant.
Ah, correct. It must be mobilized and it should go into the plant.
Yes.
That's what you mean.
We call it iron chelate.
Chelated iron.
Yes.
Could be there and it may not be
Big
useful at all.
molecule
Yeah.
That can be
It's
absorbed
not
by
that
the,
you
by
can
the plant.
take a piece of iron and put into the ground and the plant will.
So
use it.
thereby you are giving it.
Yeah,
Huh?
we wish. We can wish.
Look, the ash here that they use coming from the Golan Heights has originally very high percentage of iron.
It may not be useful. If that is alone useful,
But it's not, the tree cannot absorb it.
they are all chelated.
Only chelate.
Yeah, and so if your soil enriched with potassium or with microminerals, you do not have to enrich it. You can put less percentage of these elements or micro elements. So that's why you have to check from time to time and to decide. And also what the plant is need. There are plants that need more micro elements.
No, the water that you give, it is beyond winter. How many months you give this water?
8 months.
8 months you give water. 1000 cubic meters per dunam.
8 months. In the summer, the temperature here goes up to
40.
degrees, 42 sometimes, 45, but usually between 38 and 35 and 40.
And the humidity?
High,
Is it
70.
Is it windy?
Very windy every day in the afternoon.
In the afternoon. Very good.
So evaporation here is very high.
Evaporation is high. So transfer evaporation from the leaves are very high.
Very high, yes.
Okay. Okay then.
Cool.
Thank you very much.